Here's how to turn silent mode on or off on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Silent mode mutes calls, alerts, and notifications, but alarms and timers will still ring. Look at the left side of your iPhone. You'll see a small switch above the volume buttons. Flip the switch down. If you see orange, silent mode is on. Flip the switch back up. No orange means silent mode is off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the bell icon to turn silent mode on or off. You'll see a confirmation on screen. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Here you can manage ringer settings and vibration options. Silent mode does not mute alarms. Focus or Do Not Disturb can also silence calls, so check those if your phone doesn't ring. If the silent switch isn't working, check accessibility settings or restart your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you turn silent mode on or off on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.